We Haul Junk Removal and Hauling is the team you can count on for quick and affordable debris removal in Bell Gardens, California, and nearby areas. We make it easy for you by giving a free quote with clear prices and fitting into your schedule to avoid any inconvenience. What types of debris can we handle in Bell Gardens? Think shed demolition debris, deck demo debris, garage demolition debris, yard waste, tree trimmings, storm debris, grass trimmings, water damage debris, renovation debris, construction waste, building materials, scrap metal, wood, fencing, and more. Whether it's cleaning up your yard or handling a construction mess, we have the tools to get the job done. Homeowners, property developers, construction companies, and contractors can trust us for hands-off and straightforward construction debris removal. Don't let the clutter bother you. Call us at 323-229-6384, and We Haul Junk Removal and Hauling will tidy up your space, making it debris-free. We're not just a service, we're your reliable partners in debris removal. Quick, affordable, and hassle-free.